Hey guys, this is Vinit Kulkarni and today I'm going to be reviewing about the all new. Dude, you have to introduce yourself first. Hey guys, this is Vinit Kulkarni point one. You want to be the point one?
Really?
I'm fine unless you don't push me. I'm
Scream
fine.
with my name beneath. You keep whatever you want.
What do you see the difference here? It's just the clothes, right? That's how today I'm talking about the phone Nokia 6 and the Nokia 6.1.
Let's review it.
So as you guys heard that today I'm going to be reviewing the Nokia 6 and the Nokia 6.1. Both come with 5.5 inches of screen. It has this is the 3GB variant and this is the 4GB variant RAM. Both hold the megapixel on both front and back are the same. Back is 16 and front is 8. But on the 6.1 you have the ZZ's opticals, and the fingerprint has changed from the Nokia 6 holds it in the front. The Nokia 6.1 is in the back, as you can see here. This is the 430 Snapdragon and this is the 630 Snapdragon. And this is 1.4 gigahertz octa processor, and this is the 2.2. Both have similar body metallic kind of finish, and both of them are Gorilla Glass 3. Nokia 6 comes with the Nugget, Android Nugget, and this comes with the Oreo. 6.1 comes with the Oreo, but Nokia has promised that they'll give the upgrades for the next 2 years. Thing is the charging. This charging is the normal 2.0 and the 6.1 has the Type-C charger. It's fast charging, you can say.